Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Welcome, my small little apprentices in the world of syntax sorcery. So today we're going to be going over LINQ, using LINQ and serialization and deserialization. So as always, we're going to add our libraries in. So I have them over here in my notes. I'm just going to copy and paste them. So we're going to use system.collections.generic, system.io, newtonsoft.json, system.link. And as we always have to with the Newtonsoft, we're going to go to project, manage NuGet packages, go over to browse, type in JSON, and then once it finishes loading, install this bad boy. And now that'll fix our problems there. All right, so with that being said, we're ready. We're going to first do a public class that we can access the stuff in, class person. And then with that, we're going to say public string name. And then the getters and setters. See, it does that every time. I don't know why it likes to do that. No, not ID, but we are going to do age. And then we're just going to copy this. And we're going to change this to city with our getter and setter. And then close that bad boy off. So we're make sure to close this off because for whatever reason, Visual Studios likes to attribute this one and take this one, and put it right there. I don't know why. Don't ask me. So now we're going to go into main, right? And over here in main, first thing we're going to do is create a liste of person objects. All right? And so we're just going to call it list. We're going to say person. And then with that, we're going to call it people equals new list of person. And it's mad at us right now. That's because we haven't finished anything. Person could not be, it's saying person could not be found because we haven't done anything yet. So we're going to say new person. And it's going to be name equals, why do you do this sometimes? Name, we're going to say John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Don't judge me. And then we'll say age, right? Yeah, because we got age. What equals, we'll do like 30. And then city equals New York. Sorry. Brain fart on what to do next. All right, so then we'll put a comma there, and then we're just going to copy this. We're going to paste it 3 more times. And so what we're going to do here is change John to Jane, make her 25, and say, not New York, but let's go with Los Angeles. And then we're going to say, this is Mike. Let's just do it this way. Sarah. And then 40. And we'll say, I don't know, 35. And we're going to change the city to, let's go with Chicago. And then this one, we'll leave in New York. We'll just, that's fine. Maybe we'll do something with that. Oh, who knows? All right. It's all right, guys. Don't worry. Don't panic. So now we're going to do a LINQ query to find people older than 30. So we're going to say var older than 30 equals from person in people where person.age equals, or not equals, greater than 30, and then select person, right? We've been doing this before. You guys should know this. And convert it to JSON. I always think JSON, I think it's from, can't remember which comic book character it is. There's like, I think it's spelled the same way, and it's like JSON, and it's like, I want to say it's Marvel. Comic book fans, help me out here. Which one is it? I can't remember off the top of my head. Did I? That's why. This one is supposed to be capital up here, right? Yeah, I did make it capital up there. All right. And then, yeah, I didn't capitalize name in any of these. Control copy, paste, paste. Oops, not that. That. Bam. There. We fixed that quick error, right? So now we're going to convert it to JSON. All right. Let me just pull my notes back to the correct spot. So we got string JSON. JSON equals, man, JSON convert dot serialize object, and that's almost correct. We're going to change it from people to older than 30. And then we're going to put a comma. Oops, not there. Comma there. And then we're going to say formatting indented. Now, again, formatting indented is exactly what we want. We're telling it what formatting we want right here, and we're saying we want it indented. That's straightforward. Print serialized JSON. So then from here, we're just going to do a bunch of console write lines, right? Console.write line. And then I'm just going to do that, but that's not the exact one I'm going to do. What I'm going to do first is serialized JSON. And then I'm going to copy this. So yes, I am showing you, I am speeding this up. We're going to do that 2 more times. Snow. Jon Snow. And then here, we're going to do, oh, no, actually we want to do the JSON. And then here, we're just doing a blank slate right there. Bam. We're just giving it an extra line at the bottom, right? And then we're going to deserialize from JSON, right? And we're going to say var deserialized people equals JSON convert dot deserialized object list person JSON. That's perfect. That's exactly what we need. This is where Microsoft Studios shines. This IntelliSense is great. So then we're going to print the deserialized people, right? So console dot write line, and we're going to say, just very simply, deserialized people. And then close that. And then for each loop, I'm going to say var person in deserialized people. And you know me, I like my syntax. I like these at the bottom. I don't know. That's just personal preference. Console.write line. We're going to say, that's pretty close. We're going to use this as a template, right? We're just going to say name, and then comma, age, and then, oops, person dot age, and then close that again, comma, and then do we do city? Yes, city. City, and then person dot city. Bam, right? And that should be everything. And then we just got to close that for each loop out. And there we go. Let's control save that. Let's run it. All right. So here we see our serialized to JSON. I'm going to move this off to the side. For you guys, it's already off to the side because that's the way I set it up. So we see serialized to JSON, right? And then the deserialized people, because why is it serialized to JSON? Because we only did the LINQ query of people older than 30, right? So Mike and Sarah are both older than 30, whereas Jane is 25 and John is 30. So John is not going to be in there, neither is Sarah. It needs to be older than 30. And that's perfect. That's it. So now we serialized them, and now we've deserialized them down here. This is perfect. Everybody got it? Great. Got it? Good. Doubt it. And how does that saying go? Get it, got it, doubt it. All right, perfect. Anyways, guys, that is a really quick LINQ serialization and deserialization to make it really easy. Again, this is like beginner to intermediate stuff. We're going to do way more advanced stuff later. But as my little apprentices, I'm not trying to overwhelm you guys. I'm just trying to teach you guys a bunch of stuff, and we're going to start revisiting more topics. And then I think I'm going to do like a console game where we play through a console, but it's going to be all word based. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, like, share, subscribe. Come back for more My Little Sorcerer Apprentices.